Hello friends, now we have another chapter, CT scan versus MRI. First, we will know what is CT scan. A computed tomography CT scan uses X-rays to make detailed pictures of structures inside the body, which we have taken already a lecture about CT. Now another, what is the MRI scan? Magnetic resonance imaging is a test that uses a magnetic field and pulses of radio wave energy to make pictures of organs and structures inside the body. So first, what we have concluded here, for CT scan images we uses X-rays only, and while for MRI we are using magnetic field and radio pulses. Fine. Now we will see the advantage and disadvantage of the both must equipments. First, I would like to show the images. Here you are looking on the right hand side, these are the CT images, and left hand side these are the MRI images in the axial view. This is another picture of CT and MRI. Both are spines. This is a coronal image of CT scan versus MRI. Now advantages of CT scan. Quick and painless, meaning it will take very few minutes to complete the scannings, and it is very painless. Cost less than MRI. It is also effective with the cost. Better availability compared to MRI. Shows up acute bleed. Whenever there is bleeding, it is advised to do CT scan first. Then good visualization of bony structures and calcified lesions. This is the main advantage of CT scan. Here any bony structures or calcified things we need to do CT scan rather than MRI. Can detect or exclude the presence of more serious problems. Now disadvantages of CT scan. Exposure to ionizing radiation. Here patient will be radiated with the ionized radiation, which is harmful to the body. Resolution, we can get less resolution than MRI. Beam hardening artifact. It means if patient has some metallic implants in the body, through the scan it will create a lot of artifacts. So there is less likely to see the proper area where the implant or any foreign body is there. Injection of contrast medium, that means dye, can cause kidney problems or result in allergic or injection site reactions in some people. See, this is the main disadvantage of CT scan. It causes damage to the kidney also. So before doing any scan, we first do the patient's kidney test of serum creatinine, and if it is normal condition, then we do only. So it may cause kidney damage at some level. It also creates allergic reactions and injection site reactions in some people. Some procedures require anesthesia. For some CT scan, it is necessary to give the anesthesia, which is also a disadvantage of CT scan. Now we are going to the MRI advantage. What advantages of MRI? No radiation. See, here there is no radiation, so nothing to worry about radiation. Good resolution. We can get better images or resolution rather than CT scan images. 3D reconstruction is possible. Good gray-white differentiation. Whenever doing the scans, it can differentiate gray-white matter clearly rather than CT scan. So this is the advantage of MRI. Adjust settings based on characteristics of the lesion. Gadolinium contrast is relatively non-toxic. Compared to CT scan contrast, gadolinium contrast is non-toxic. Now disadvantages of MRI. Cost effective. It is very costly than CT scan. Some patients ineligible because of pacemakers, other matter. Here we see some patients have pacemakers which are never allowed in the MRI room. So this is the disadvantage, or this kind of patients are most probably not allowed in the MRI room and scan is not possible. Claustrophobia. This is the main disadvantage. Most of the people are claustrophobic. They feel very as MRI creates a lot of noise, so some people feel claustrophobic and they are not willing to get MRI scan. Lengthy and noisy procedure. MRI will take some time to complete the study, at least 10 minutes to 15 minutes for a minimum scan time. And it's a very noisy procedure. Whenever you're in the RF room, it will make a lot of noise, which is irritable. Limited availability. Thank you. Now we have completed the lectures, CT scan versus MRI. Now at the end of the topics, we have make some questionnaires and which you have to answer the questions, and you have to send it for the given email ID on UNM ICRC.